Page 16. Chapter 2. Shapes around us. On the page here, we can see a festival scene. Students are celebrating Garba. At the background, we can see a poster reading Garba Festival.
Let us do. A. Look at the picture and observe different musical instruments.
1. Circle the musical instruments that are similar in shape to a drum.
2. Take the musical instruments that are similar in shape to a matka.
3. Take the shape similar to the shape of a shehnai.
4. How is the shape of harmonium different from the shape of a drum?
B. Have you seen or played any of the musical instruments? Share your experiences with your classmates.
C. There are some images here. You have to cross the odd one out.
The first image in the first row is of a carrot, followed by an ice cream cone, then an orange, and finally a paper cone.
In the second row, we have sun, house, moon, and earth.
And finally, the third row has a chalk, a wooden box, a duster, and a book.
Match the musical instruments and objects with their solid shapes. 1 has been done for you. On the left-hand side, we have a drum, a harmonium, a bell, a cajon, matka, and a shehnai. And on the right hand side, we have
A pencil. Then we have a dais, an ice cream cone, lemon, a wooden box, and finally a paper cone.
in the middle, we have 5 shapes. First one is cylindrical. Then we have conical. Third, we have a cuboid. Fourth, we have spherical. And the fifth is a cube. 1 has been done for you. The musical instrument shehnai and the object paper cone has a conical shape.
Hina and Atif. We have a conversation between Hina and Atif. They are preparing a gift box which is rectangular in shape. They want to put their gift for their friend's birthday in this box.
And they want to decorate it with certain items. Hina says, I have got ribbons, stars, and pom-pom balls. Let us decorate this. We will place one star on each face of the box. Atif says,
Wow! It looks nice! Let me count how many stars we need. It has 6 faces, so we need 6 stars.
Hina says, it looks really nice. Let me put ribbons on its sides.
Atif starts to think and replies, Yes, then we need 12 ribbons for each side or edge. Some will be short and some will be long. Hina says,
Can we put these balls on the corners?
Atif replies, These colorful balls are looking good on all the 8 corners.
Let us do. If you also have to decorate the given shapes in the same way, with stars, ribbon stripes and pom-pom balls, how many of these items will you need?
Now we have a table here with 4 columns. The first column reads object, the second one number of stars for the faces, the third one reads number of ribbon stripes for the edges or sides, and finally the fourth one reads number of pom-pom balls for the corners. In the object column, the first object is a cajon, second one is an ice cream cone, and the third one is a wooden box. Rest of the columns have to be filled by you.
Let us think. Look at the objects and fill the table. We have 5 columns in front of us. First column reads object, second one reads I look like a, third one reads faces, fourth one reads edges, and fifth one reads corners.
In the object column, the first object is a dais, followed by a book, then we have a carrot, followed by a chalk, a ball, a box of crayon colors, an ice cream cone, and finally a water bottle. In the second column, now the dice looks like a cube, the book looks like a cuboid.
Let us play. Touch and tell who am I?
Collect different objects with variation in faces, corners and edges. Blindfold the child and ask them to pick an object as per the details given by other children. For example, a child may be asked to take out an object with one corner. Similarly, continue with other objects.
Let us do. Name the objects which have no corners.
A blank, B blank, C blank.
One corner.
A blank, B blank, C blank.
3 corners.
A blank, B blank, C blank.
Blank corners.
A blank, B blank, C blank.
Project work. Take a cardboard sheet and try to make an object with 4 faces. Now, try to make an object with 1 face.
Page 17. Initiate discussion about the similarities in the shape of various musical instruments and talk about locally available instruments and the way they are played. For example, drum and tabla are played by beating them, whereas guitar and sitar are played using their strings. And shehnai, flute, etc. are played by blowing air into them. Page 19.
Let the children experience the surfaces, edges and corners of solid objects like a chalk box, duster, chalk, etc.
Page 22. Encourage children to discuss and find out the objects which have 1, 2, 3 or no corners. They may make such objects using clay or dough.